Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a diverse community of people who shared a common dream: to establish a theatre group that would ignite their creativity and foster cultural expression. The town had long been devoid of a platform for artistic endeavors, and the residents yearned for a way to showcase their talents and tell their stories. Little did they know that their dreams were about to be realized in the most unexpected way. It all began with Emma, a passionate young woman with a flair for the dramatic. She had always been enchanted by the magic of the theatre and believed that it had the power to transform lives. Emma approached her friends, neighbors, and even strangers, sharing her vision of a community theatre. One by one, people began to join her cause, drawn to the allure of the spotlight and the opportunity to be a part of something bigger than themselves. The first challenge they faced was finding a suitable venue for their grand theatre project. The townsfolk scoured every nook and cranny, seeking a space that could be transformed into a stage. Finally, they stumbled upon an abandoned barn on the outskirts of town. It was weathered and worn, but Emma saw its potential. With unwavering determination, the community rallied together, cleaning, repairing, and breathing new life into the old barn. Next came the auditions. People from all walks of life, with a myriad of talents and stories to tell, lined up for their chance to shine. Emma and her team diligently cast the roles, ensuring that everyone had a chance to participate, regardless of their experience or skill level. Rehearsals began, and the barn echoed with laughter, tears, and the harmonious blending of voices. Theatre workshops were organized to develop acting skills, stagecraft, and the technical aspects of production. The community members embraced the opportunity to learn and grow, tapping into their hidden talents and uncovering their potential. They supported each other, sharing knowledge and building bonds that would last a lifetime. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, word spread throughout the town about the upcoming theatrical extravaganza. Excitement filled the air, and the townsfolk eagerly awaited the opening night. The theatre project had become more than just a performance; it had become a symbol of unity, creativity, and the power of dreams. Finally, the much-anticipated day arrived. The doors of the barn theatre swung open, revealing a transformed space filled with lights, props, and an air of anticipation. The community members, adorned in their vibrant costumes, took their places on the stage. The audience, a mix of friends, family, and curious onlookers, settled into their seats. The lights dimmed, and the magic began. The curtains rose, revealing a world of imagination and storytelling. The actors poured their hearts and souls into their performances, breathing life into characters and narratives that resonated with the audience. Laughter and tears flowed freely, as the theatre became a conduit for shared emotions and experiences. The theatre project had achieved far more than anyone had initially imagined. It had not only fulfilled the dreams of the community members but had also brought together people from all walks of life, breaking down barriers and forging deep connections. It had become a platform for self-expression, a catalyst for change, and a testament to the power of community. Years passed, and the barn theatre became a hub of artistic activity, hosting plays, musicals, and cultural events that celebrated the diversity of the town. It became a source of pride and inspiration for generations to come, reminding them of the time when a small community dared to dream and brought a vision to life. And so, the story of the theatre project was etched into the annals of the town's history, a reminder that when a community comes together, fueled by passion and determination, the possibilities are endless, and the stage is set for greatness.